Welcome to Rica Subtest 3 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. Next, we have effective instructional delivery in reading. So, in this next section, you'll learn the components of effective instructional delivery described by the California Reasoning through Language Arts framework, which includes orientation, presentation, structured and guided practice, and independent practice and application. The first stage is orientation, and this is a way for a teacher to start a lesson in an engaging way. Effective methods include telling a story, asking an interesting question, sharing a thought provoking riddle, performing a demonstration, telling a fact, or writing something that engages the students. This may also be time for the teacher to give a prompt where the students can find and or share a connection they have personally experienced with the topic at hand. Next is presentation. Here, the teacher directly and explicitly models and shares the information that students will learn. For example, a teacher might say, "Today, students, we will learn that if the letter before a word that ends in Y is a consonant, we change the Y to an I and add LY." After the presentation, the teacher will give the students structured and guided practice where the teacher restates or remodels instruction. Let's have a look here. To reiterate, using hungry and angry as example words, I noticed that they both have the consonant R directly before the Y. So I will add I plus LY. It might also come in the form of questioning, where the teacher checks for comprehension and understanding from the students. For example, can I get a student to say in their own words why I added the I in hungrily and then also in angerly? Using this structured and guided practice format, the teacher could also provide students with feedback by discovering where students are commonly making errors, while offering guidance and helping them find solutions. The next strategy we have is to facilitate the opportunity for peer mediated instruction, where children discuss the work that they're doing in order to help each other by explaining their reasoning for what they're working on. Lastly, effective instructional delivery should come to a closure by giving students independent practice and application to the material and problems that they learned about. This is different than guided practice, as the teacher is not available to offer solutions. Here, the teacher will want to keep the work independent so that the teacher can collect the student's work and gather information about who met the standard that was being taught on that day. Pro Rica Test tip. If you're given an essay prompt about providing effective instructional delivery in reading, the Rica Test scorers will want you to mention what the teacher is doing throughout the lesson. Once the teacher distributes the independent work to the students, the teacher should use her teacher's journal to jot observations as whether or not the students are using the strategies that she taught in the lesson. Feeling nervous about taking your Rica test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this Rica Test Prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.